Welcome back to the channel. Today I'm so excited to share how to make this dreamy, beaded cloud charm. It's the perfect project to add a little magic to your accessories. Let's take a look at the materials you'll need to get started. 6mm beads, 4mm crystal beads, big bow charm, end leaf charm, swivel snap hook, eye pin, chain, 0.30mm nylon thread. First, you'll need 5 beads for this part. I'm threading them onto my nylon wire now, and then I'll pass the thread back through the last bead in the opposite direction and pull tight. This creates the perfect little circle that forms the base of our cloud. Now pick up 4 beads, leave 3 of them and take the thread through the 4th bead in a crisscross pattern to complete this section. Now you'll see 2 wires, one on the left and one on the right. Take the left wire and pass it through 1 bead from the base. On the right side, thread 3 beads, leave 2 behind, and pass the wire through the 3rd bead in a crisscross pattern to secure it. You'll need to repeat that entire process 2 more times until there's just 1 bead left to complete the cloud shape. Let's work through those final sections together. Now pass the left-hand wire through the last bead and the side bead. Next, add 2 beads on both sides of the wire and tie a knot to secure it, bringing everything together into that perfect half-circle shape. To secure everything, simply pass the wire back through a few beads, tie a firm knot, and snip off the excess thread. Take an eye pin, thread a bead on it and pass it through the center bead of your cloud. Then, add another bead above the cloud, add a big bow charm, cut off the excess wire and shape the end into a secure loop. Cut two 1 cm pieces of chain. Now take an eye pin, thread a pearl bead, a crystal bead, and another pearl bead onto it. Attach your 1 cm pieces of chain to both ends of the eye pin, then cut off the excess wire and shape the loops to secure everything. Now take a jump ring, add a leaf charm to it, and then attach that to the end of the chain. Take another jump ring and use it to connect this hanging section to the center of the cloud. Now create a few different dangles by attaching crystal beads, pearl beads, charms like leaves to the ends of chains of various lengths. You can connect these side dangles to your cloud by looping a jump ring onto the wire that connects the bead pairs on the sides. Take a jump ring, attach the ends of your 2 cm chain to it, and then use that same jump ring to connect the chain to the central eye pin. To finish, attach a larger jump ring to the center loop of the chain. From there, you can connect either a swivel snap hook for a bag charm or a black phone strap if you want a cloud phone charm. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed making this dreamy cloud charm and it adds a touch of magic to your day. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below. Happy crafting!